Good morning. So, this morning we are actually on a little adventure. So last night we were at a friend's wedding, and we decided whilst we were at the wedding we're going to spend a couple of days glamping. Nicky Nook. Then we are, so we're doing that. I'm feeling a little worse for wear today, but the walk will do me some good. It is a bit drizzly, hence the hat and the gear. Plan is go for a bit of a wander. We are in the Forest of Bowland area. We're here just tonight and tomorrow. So yeah, fun. It's really pretty though. Hello. So, excuse the out of breath, because being hungover and having to carry and push a wheelbarrow doesn't work. But we are here. We are in our little shepherd's hut. This is from, what's the company called again? Little Oakhurst. Yeah, it's really sweet. It's a very cute little space. That has everything we need for a few days. Yeah, really nice. Just nicely done little thing. So we're going to chill for a few days, relax, just spend time with one another. Unfortunately for her, this afternoon's come out all right. So we're gonna just probably chill here though, and then head to. Might try and do a walk tomorrow.
I'm intrigued where that path goes into
the
forest.
But we shall do that all tomorrow. This may not even be a full video. I don't know. Probably not. Just a little thing for us. Yeah. Good morning. So, last night we had a super chill evening. We had a barbecue. We got the hot tub going. We made the hot tub too hot. So, even after it'd been off for like a couple of hours, it was too hot to go into, really, especially for Alex. This morning when we woke up, bear in mind that was 8 hours or so later, it was still pretty warm. Alex went in. It's quite funny. Today we are going to go for a walk. We are trying to go on the Tolkien Trail. The weather has been a bit of a... let's see. Can you see? Yeah. Mixed bag. It was supposed to be rainy all day today. It seems to have settled, but we're going to take stuff anyway just because don't trust it. Yeah, that's the plan. We shall take you along. Don't know how much filming we're going to do, but I'll take some pictures and just enjoy. Oh wait, sunshine. So yeah, we're just out walking now. The weather does not know what it wants to do today. It is blustery as anything, and I did forget my windsock for my mic, so you're gonna have a lot of blustery moments. Now it's sun out. It's just a bit all over the place. How long is this supposed to be?
I think about 3 to 4 hours, but I think we're probably going to miss a top section of it.
Right.
So hopefully 2 to 3.
Yeah. Yeah, this is our kind of main plan for today. Thank you very much. I'm in trousers today, so it's not too bad. I went for trousers for the wind, but also yesterday I did get stung by stinging nettles, so normally I'd be in shorts. But yeah, let's enjoy this walk. weren't 100% sure if this was called the Tolkien Trail because he was inspired by this area, or he stayed around here whilst he was writing some of his books. But it does seem like, yeah, he was inspired and wrote some of the books while staying around here in Stonyhurst, I believe Alex said. And you get it. It's just a nice wooded area, kind of quintessential British woodland. Really nice.
Down to a little beachy bathing area. Pretty cool.
Alex and I were saying, in some ways this whole area feels incredibly British in terms of the fields, the housing, the waterways. Like, we have great areas of beauty within the UK that we just don't take advantage of. Yeah, really nice. Great skies though. That's kind of a given.
Explain this for us. Winkley Piggery. Winkley Piggery. No pigs live here. I don't understand. It's a good diversion sign. We're going this way. Hello. How's it going? Yeah?
Gotta keep walking along the river.
Yeah. But it's been nice, hasn't it?
Right.
Yeah, so far, dry. But nice. Right? This way.
As you can tell, it's quite blustery. Yeah, so we're still walking along the river, but slightly different, more different back in the fields again. It's nice. It feels very much like the areas in New Zealand that are now Hobbiton, and that visual aesthetic, you can tell kind of how it all started, which is, it's nice. Yeah, we're walking that way. Where's Alex? There she is. Yeah, walking that way. Got a pub to go grab some lunch at some point. It's been good.
Hello. Made it to the pub, so we haven't finished because we started later on, so we'll have to carry on after.
Yeah, we come to Shire.
The Shire.
Oh, come on, focus. Come to Shire Arms.
Stop here for a bit, have a drink, have some food, and then continue. Been really lucked out with the weather. Like,
Yeah.
it's actually
Dry.
as you can kind of see behind. Been dry and sunny. But yeah.
We need food.
Hello. So we've had some lunch. Now we're just going to start walking back. Because we're both quite tired. We're just looking forward to getting back, chilling out, try and put the hot tub on, you know, stuff like that. But yeah, if anything is interesting, if you can hear me at all, if anything's interesting, we'll film it. If not, see you in a bit. Good morning. So that's our time away gone. We're just packing up now, ready to go back. It's been really nice. Weather has actually held out remarkably well for us. Got to use the hot tub yesterday, got it at the right temperature. And yeah, we thought about stopping somewhere whilst we're in the area on the way back, but I think we're probably just going to head home and we can do things, because it's Sunday today, so we have plenty of stuff we can get on with. But yeah, really good. Next weekend, we're actually on another little holiday, another little weekend away, and the weekend after. But next one is we're going to Farnborough to see the puffins, so hopefully get to show you some puffins. See you in a bit.